Hello and welcome. The motorhome I've got in front of me is an Adria Sonic, and for a motorhome like this you're looking at around €115,000. Sonic 700 SL on a Fiat Ducato multi-jet, and it is in size 749 centimeters long by 232 by 297 on a 3,650 vehicle gross vehicle weight, or 4,400. It's claiming a ready to go 3,325. So to be quite honest, I think 4,400 is what you would want to be thinking of. I do appreciate that you may not have a driving license that permits you to do that. My driving license is pre-1996, so at least for the next few years I can continue to drive heavier vehicles. So obviously the way it's aesthetically pleasing or not is a matter of opinion. This to me seems to be I would say a rather clean vehicle. We have this German layout which I'm now going to demonstrate. This will come out here, and we can put this this mattress in there like that. Obviously it requires a little bit of pushing, but you can see you can get a very big bed from it. And I've only got two hands, and one of which is needed for the camera. We've got these steps up, and under the steps we will find drawers, and here there is a large wardrobe. Show you under the bed as well, and you'll note that this bit here will come up, and that the bed, the mattress is actually it's not two pieces, but it folds, so I can push that over like that, and you can see, and this bit here then comes up, giving access. I still have not found out how to make a bed in a motorhome. However, one thing I have found out is that if you've got pieces like this, don't use one single thing. Do each one individually. Separate shower from the toilet, two drainage points, large drainage points, domestic drainage points. Shelf there to sit on as you're washing your feet, and there's a bar up there to dry your socks on. Absolutely outstanding, I think. And here we have the toilet. And what's not so outstanding, these sinks look great in hotels, but they don't really work, I think, in motorhomes because of this ledge here. That's how I feel anyway. Other people might feel differently about these things. I like a sunken sink. And there's also storage up here. Now, as a rule, I don't like things about ledges, but this has got this elastic. That's okay, not a problem, okay, in my opinion. Let's come out and come down here. We've got a corner kitchen with three burners in a range format. We've got a sink here, and of course we have got storage down here. No, it's got proper walls. I know lots of manufacturers are now putting proper walls in their drawers. This opens like this. This is supposed to storage all the way around. I've got the bed at the front, which will drop down. I'll need to put the chairs down to do that, so once more I need two hands for that. And unlike the bed at the back, I'm not going to try with the bed at the front. A door in the driver's side, which almost all vans have these days. There was a time when they didn't have them. Recessed windows there. Note also there is a double floor. I can access it. I'll try. Yeah, I'm getting weaker and weaker. There you go. There's the freshwater tank in the double floor. Good place to put it. And now, can I get this back in? That is the question. Or is it something? Oh, I thought I might have to come back later. That's sometimes if it's a minor thing, I do come back later and fix it. But if it's something like that, it's more difficult because somebody could walk in and trip over, and I don't want that to happen. Anyway, there's a sink, No, it's not. It's a fridge. See, I forget words all the time. There's the something for your television. Okay, we'll have a look at the back. And there's your storage at the rear, and that's a lovely garage. I think it takes 200, yes it does, says max 200 kilos. Yeah, lashing straps in there, great, fantastic. So, door has got a bin, so you've got somewhere to keep the dog's lead. It's got a window, I think that's very nice. Right, good. So there you go. There's the Adria Sonic campervan. Hope you found, motorhome. Hope you found this interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.